form of the modern Ossetian people. Today, the Scythians are a faded memory, a footnote in the history books of Greece, Iran, India, and China. Yet, as army after army of horse-riding, bow-shooting nomadic warlords thundered across the Eurasian steppe over the centuries, whether they acknowledged it or not, they were building upon the legacy of the Scythians, the first and original horse lords of the ancient world. Our series on ancient civilizations will continue. Throughout much of the first millennium BC, the Scythians and their sister tribes would fight with, conquer, or otherwise influence mind-bogglingly vast territory, and enter the historical records of a diverse array of ancient cultures. The first wave of campaigns undertaken by Scythians proper began in the early 7th century BC, when they burst onto the scene and engaged in a century's worth of warfare upon the civilizations of the Caucasus and the Middle East. First, they devastated the ancient kingdoms of Urartu and Assyria. Following up on this momentum, King Mage pushed further south, launching an expedition into Egypt. Cowed by the massive horde at his doorstep, Pharaoh Psamtik I bequeathed the Scythian king with lavish gifts in order to spare his kingdom.